Get off the grass!
Hey up YouTube! Welcome to our vlog. If you're new here, my name is Niall Wilson. This is my dad. Actually, he left his job, full-time job, very well paid. 26 years in the company to be a YouTuber, a vlogger.
I'm a vlogger.
We've got a special one. What are we doing, Dad?
We're doing gardening. We're doing the gardening. We're doing the gardening.
We're doing the gardening.
I'm not doing the gardening vlog. You can f*** off.
A few minutes later.
If we're doing a gardening vlog, we can't garden like this. We need some gear.
Hey!
Hey! We're ready.
Proper gardeners now.
Let's go, son. Let's go. So the pipe, kid. Why would you do that? Pipe's not the garden, is it? Pipe's like the house. That's the water pipe. That's the down pipe.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Don't.
I promise, I won't do it all.
We're gonna have to do this another day.
No,
You're gonna do
come on.
something.
I'm not gonna do something.
You are.
I'm not.
Right, what are you going to do? I'm going to keep spade it all the time because if something happens I will back you out, Joe.
Alright, deal.
One long angry line later.
Jokes aside, I've finally decided to let my dad do the gardening vlog. My dad is going to tell the story of what this house, when we moved in, how many years ago? 12?
12 years ago.
12 years ago, what it was like, what he did, the story behind it, why he does it, why he loves gardening, and then we might maybe do a little bit at the end.
I have actually got a job today. I've got a bit of cutting to do around the back.
Oh, brilliant.
Have you ever used a hedge trimmer?
No.
I don't know why I asked you that. I know the answer to that. YouTube, fans of Neil and Niall, wheel sedators, welcome to my garden. That's a wall, Tom.
Montage.
He's got the toilet, quick. Ready?
Yeah, sorry about that. I just need to go. I just need to go to the loo. When you go to the loo, you need to go, don't you? Yeah. Oh my God! What's the matter with you? Oh, come on. Bloody soap now. Oh, how am I supposed to garden with a squelchy foot? It's gonna squelch now. Listen.
That was the first thing in the garden.
This was actually the very first thing I did this area. I didn't actually think when I was doing it I'll put a cheese press, a mangle.
Can I ask what the sheep are?
What do you mean, what are they doing? The guard in the house, the guard sheep.
Is it something to do with washing and drying?
No.
Cooking?
Bruh.
Gardening.
Gardening.
It's in your garden.
He's actually quite honest. If you don't know what it is, it's a cheese press.
You said he wasn't cooking. Like great cheese.
How does... Go and get some cheese and we'll try and grate it. Compresses the cheese.
Oh, so you put something in there?
You put cheese in there, funnily enough. Sack barrow. They used to carry sacks on.
Them wheels work?
It's funny enough, after you made a wheel, all of a sudden it doesn't stop working. Do you want to see how it works now?
Yeah.
It had all trees down there, it had a small retaining wall, it had a shed there, a little bit of grass here, and it was just all at the back, it was just all overgrown.
I remember there was like a bit of grass and then the shed. There's a washing line from the garage to the shed, wasn't there?
So the symmetry in this garden that we designed that you will have no idea about, will you?
Well, no, I don't really have an idea about gardening. The thing I like the most spray paint on the summer house. Hello, little fishies.
You see, when you're doing your garden, in order to create features and height, you don't just have to use plants.
Like purple planks of wood and stuff. Why there's a sort of 20-inch by 50-inch rectangular piece of lawn surrounded by decking.
I just thought it'd be a good idea, don't you like it? That's my third lawn.
Got the VIP area.
That's the special, only 2 people allowed. I can't believe I'm going to say this, but if you want, you can help me. Just do some cutting down there.
I cut. Guys, while we're getting set up to do some hedge trimming, we have a new segment of the vlog. We've got a new friend. We've got something very special. Roll the segment.
And this is a new segment in the vlog which is called the Illustrious Illusion.
I like it. Let's do that.
We are here with Illusio.
So by the way, he's a magician.
Yeah, he's a magician.
Just to clarify, I'm sure.
Not only is he a magician, he's a magician.
I want to pick up any colour you like.
Let's get it.
Show it to the vlog.
Don't tell him what it is.
Show it to the camera.
Got it. Okay. Your choice is to say stop. Stop. Put it back in. Now, believe it or not, I have not got my card.
Oh, George, you're not very good at this.
Well, I am gonna let you find it. All you have to do is take out one card, and that will be your card. If it is, we go crazy.
Yeah.
If it's not, well,
Bad
shop
day at the
out.
office.
Yes.
Bad day at the office.
Okay.
Any card you like, take it out.
So she's picking her own card?
Yes. That one there. Now that one there,
Oh, so was I supposed to look at it?
it doesn't matter, because that is your card.
It's not.
You sure?
It's not very
I'm
good.
positive.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
positive,
Now what? If
George.
I give it a magician's shake. No!
I'm done, I'll see you later.
Jesus. To use this one, you got to pull that handle up and hold that. Flowering right, so we're not gonna do that. That's a red robin, yeah. These are Hebes. That's unanimous. That's unanimous emerald. That's unanimous gaiety, and that's your skimmier there. Right. The thing to not do is just don't go mad. Just sort of feather it. You know.
Ruined it.
I haven't. I want it smaller. I want it down to the smaller leaf.
Did the leaf grow back though?
Yeah, but a lot of gardening is not thinking about how it looks right now, it's thinking about how you want it to look in the future. When I watch you do gymnastics moves, I don't think you ain't going to be able to do that. You're learning, aren't you? It's a learning curve, it's a process. You enjoy the journey.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G.
It's really good, that's still equipment. So,
2 hours later.
Are you left-handed?
right-handed? That's my right hand and then... Is that on Nico?
No, just leave that for now.
Oh yeah, just chisels it off, doesn't it? You just want it like trimming down a bit, Dad, yeah?
Just like I've been doing that one, just trim it down.
Dad! He slipped! Oh god. Dad?
Alright, now how are you getting on?
Yeah, it's a lot trimmer. Doing what you were doing.
You were doing what I were doing. You haven't feathered it. Look at the state of it. What? Completely destroyed. Right, that's it. It's that time. I always call that the front garden, the other side. This is the back garden, and this garden is where the most work has happened.
Kids dream that lawn, innit? Football pit, football nets either side, cricket pitch.
Yeah, I'm glad you're growing up actually.
Yeah, except this is what we live with.
Just that.
What's like your why?
My why is when me and Mum and you and Joanna, your friends, Joanna's friends, are all in this garden enjoying it and being together, and we can do what we want. That's why I do it. The why is about the family coming together, you know, and like when I invite the family, I invite the whole family, don't I? I just love having the whole family together in this garden. That's why I do it. For those days.
Good message, Robert. Regardless whether it's gardening or whether it's gymnastics or whatever it is, to find your why.
100%.
What's your why? Why is it that you got out of bed and did what you did today? Alright, we're going to end the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Neil and Niall's vlogs, the father-son journey, the best father-son relationship on the whole of the internet, and we're taking you through our lives, what we do. Gardening is apparently a big part of it.
Gardening isn't a big part of it. Family days together is a big part of it.